Hello guys, I'm back with an example, and in this example there is a pole of infinite length. This pole is going from minus infinity to plus infinity, and there is a monkey who is climbing up the pole with a constant velocity u. A man whose eyes are exactly situated in the midpoint of the line joining this pole and the mirrors. And these are two mirrors whose length is L, their length is equal, and there is a gap between them. These are not connected. The man can see the monkey directly, but he wishes to see the monkey in the mirrors instead of seeing the monkey directly. Now, we want to calculate the time for which that man will see the monkey climbing up the poles. We have the data which we are provided with is the velocity of the monkey u, which is constant, and the length of mirrors L. So let us start the problem. In this problem, we already have done this kind of questions, that if some observer is exactly situated in the midpoint of some object and mirror, and he wishes to see that object completely in the mirror, then the minimum height required of the mirror to see that object completely is 1/3 of the height of the object. So instead of saying this statement, we can apply this statement reversely, that if the mirror has a length of L here, then his eyes can see the image of the monkey for the length the monkey climbs up for 3L. I am repeating my words, that if this man wishes to see the monkey in this mirror whose length is L, then he can see the monkey till monkey climbs up a length which is thrice of this length, that is 3L. And also, if his eyes wants to see the monkey in this mirror, then he can see the monkey for the time till the monkey climbs up for another 3L length. So we can say that the total length till the man see, or we can say watches the monkey in mirrors is 6L. 6L is 3L for first mirror and 3L for second mirror. Okay, so till the monkey climbs up this length 6L, the man will be able to see the monkey. So the time for which man will able to see the monkey will be the total distance till which monkey is being watched by the man, that is 6L, and the velocity of monkey, that is u. So the total time for which that man will see the monkey climbing up the pole will be 6L upon u. So this was a simple example which demonstrates this concept. Thank you.